movements of materials across the cell membrane. Introduction. We know that cell performs different functions. For these, different types of substances are required by the cell. These are solids like glucose, liquids like water, and gases like oxygen. Saturated solution. Take 100 ml of water in a beaker. Add sugar or salt. Stir till it is dissolved. Repeat it till little amount of it is left at the bottom of the beaker, which will not dissolve. This is the saturated solution of sugar or salt. Concentrated solution. Solutions with different amounts of solute dissolved in them are solutions of different concentrations. The amount of sugar present in the 100 ml of water is the concentration of the sugar. Osmosis. We see that the movement in osmosis is from a less solute concentrated to a more concentrated water in any set of solutions through a membrane. In Greek, osmos means pushing. For example, water moves towards sugar solution due to the process of osmosis. Filtration. The outermost, extremely delicate, elastic membranous covering of the cell that separates its contents from the external environment is called plasma membrane. Allowing only certain materials to pass through is called permeability. Cells also act in the same way, allowing the substance to pass through the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is selectively permeable and a living flexible membrane. Functions of plasma membrane. Shape. It provides a definite shape to semi-fluid contents of the cell. Mechanical barrier. It functions as a mechanical barrier that protects the internal contents of the cell. Selective permeability. The membrane determines what substances are to be allowed entry or exit from the cell. Endocytosis. The flexibility of the membrane enables the cell to engulf food and other substances from its external environment by endocytosis. Recognition. It has substances over its surface which functions as recognition centers and points of attachment. Flow of information. It provides flow of information amongst different cells of same organism. Osmosis. It occurs due to presence of tiny water channels in the plasma membrane. Cell continuity. At places, plasma membranes of adjacent cells become continuous to form plasmodesmate and cell junctions. Specialization. Plasma membrane gets modified to perform different functions. Example, absorption in microvilli. Transport across the membrane. The membrane acts as a physical barrier between the organelles of a cell and the cytoplasm and between the cell and its surrounding environment. The membrane is said to be impermeable if the substance do not pass through the membrane, permeable if the substance, both solute and solvent, can pass readily through the membrane, semi-permeable if the membrane is permeable to solvent but prevents the passage of solutes, selectively permeable if the membrane allows the passage of solvent and some selected solutes. Osmosis. Water moves across membranes from solutions of one concentration to the other, a process called as osmosis. The process in which water molecules leave the cell is called exosmosis. The process in which water molecules enter the cell is called endosmosis. Importance of osmosis to living organisms. Water enters into the roots through osmosis. Water moves between the cells through osmosis. It helps in opening and closing of stomata. It brings about movement of water and minerals in certain plants. In our body, waste materials are filtered from the blood. In our body, useful materials are absorbed along with water through osmosis. Desalination. Freddie Mercury and David Bowie removed salts from seawater by using a semi-permeable membrane by a process called desalination. The water moves from salt solution into fresh water, leaving the salt behind. This process is known as reverse osmosis. Diffusion. There are other ways in which materials move in a medium. For example, if a bottle of scent is opened in one corner of a room, its smell spreads in the entire room. The process by which some materials, when kept in a medium like air and water, spread equally throughout it. It is called as diffusion.
మా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.